In this video, we're going to show you how to find the Binance Wallet Address on mobile phone. So first of all, you can open your Binance app. Then you can go to the your wallet there. Then click on the deposit button, and then you can select like what's second. You select like here you go to spot and you go to deposit button. Here you can select any cryptocurrency like from there, any currency like coins, like any coin you want to select, you can select any network that you want to choose. Click on this, then select here to copy the wallet address. Thanks for watching.